There are no true, secret recipes for perfect facial skin. But there are some natural ingredients and DIY skincare treatments that many people find beneficial. Keep in mind that skincare is highly individual, and what works for one person may not work for another. Here are a few common ingredients and practices known for their potential benefits for the skin. Honey and yogurt mask. Honey has natural antibacterial properties, and yogurt contains lactic acid, which can help exfoliate and brighten the skin. Mix equal parts honey and yogurt, apply it to your face, and leave it on for about 15 minutes before rinsing. Oatmeal scrub. Oatmeal is soothing and can help with gentle exfoliation. Mix ground oatmeal with water or milk to create a paste, then gently massage it onto your skin in circular motions. Rinse off with lukewarm water. Aloe vera gel. Aloe vera has soothing and hydrating properties. Apply fresh aloe vera gel directly to your face or look for skincare products containing aloe vera. Green tea toner. Brew green tea, let it cool, and use it as a toner. Green tea is rich in antioxidants and can help reduce inflammation. Coconut oil as a makeup remover. Some people use coconut oil as a natural makeup remover. Be cautious if you have acne-prone skin, as it can be comedogenic for some individuals. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water is crucial for healthy skin. Hydration comes from within, so make sure you're drinking enough water daily. Balanced diet. Eating a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and antioxidants can benefit your skin. Foods high in vitamins A, C, and E are particularly good for your complexion. Sun protection. Using sunscreen daily is one of the best ways to protect your skin from damage and premature aging. Remember that consistency in your skincare routine is often more important than any single secret ingredient. What works best for your skin may require some trial and error, and it's a good idea to consult with a dermatologist for personalized advice. Additionally, if you have any skin conditions or concerns, seek professional guidance.